with R2 Tech, we have a Dallas client hiring a Senior Tibco EBX Java developer. This manufacturing company builds web and mobile products for various consumers throughout the globe. This is a contract position that is 100% remote. You will impact the company by gaining knowledge of the existing EBX data model and design specifications, reviewing and analyzing the existing EBX data model implementation, and identify any gaps to requirements. Perform core Java development, updating and managing the message queue. Modernizing the approval of various messages based upon the different levels of taxonomy. And creating unit test cases for message queue validation. So if you have over 7+ years of IT experience, 6 years of core Java programming experience, and 1 year of Tibco EBX knowledge, please contact me. Feel free to forward this link to anybody who is interested, and to find out more about this position and or other jobs, send me your resume to shelms@r2now.com. I'll talk to you soon.